The video card on my 2011 MacBook failed a couple of months ago, and I went online and researched companies that did data retrieval. And on the Google search results, I found PITS Global. The device was, about 13 years old. I used it in college, and I'd basically been storing my old portfolio and project data on it and just accessing it. The PITS representatives, they called me after I put the information in for my device online, and they answered all my questions regarding the process, and they were very helpful. It took a few weeks because I chose the slowest speed, but I didn't really need the files that urgently. And when the files were ready, they called me up, and then I was able to remotely view the files and confirm that they were all in place. And the service matched all my expectations, and I would recommend them to friends or family if they needed recovery on their devices.